Hi, and welcome to Dynamics 365 Business Central. This video shows how to get around and where to find information in the product. The first page you see is designed for Business Manager. It's a collection of tasks and information that are important for someone who is running the business. We have similar pages for other roles like accountant, production planners, and salesperson. We can simply select the particular role and then assign it to the user. Under activities, we have an immediate overview of our operational KPIs. So we can have a quick look at what's going on in our business. The activity sections also contain styles, which is also called as cure, that shows informations about things like overdues, documents, and etc. We can choose a queue to deep digger details behind that particular queue. There's also fast access to lists that we will often use. For example, we can see our customer list, vendor list, item list, and so on. To go to the role center page again, we need to click on the company name. Similarly, there are important actions are readily available. We can create new documents, process transactions, and view our details simply from our dashboard. We can see the report overview from our dashboard as well. If we need to do something beyond our daily activities, we can get the features by clicking on this particular modules and see the various pages. We can also use the navigate options or the search option to type in the particular page or report name so that you can directly go to that particular section. Further down on the role center page, we will find the insight sections. There we have business assistance, where we can select graph for a list of key use performance. We can select the reports and see in graph that what is the changes. Further down, there is also the Power BI report section. We can display the dashboard we have built in Power BI here. We can see our trial balance report over here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you.